So this is a brief explanation of my customized program, Space Invaders. So Space Invaders is a very classic game. So I have a player shooting against invaders that come to our planet. So I have a class of a player. I have a class of the caves that define the player from the alien bullet. I have a few lists of the invaders that comes in different shape that moving left and right. Of the screen, I have a super invader that comes about every 4 seconds, and I also count the score and the lives, and I show the time as well. So this is a simple UML of the Space Invader game. So I have a program that calls the game Space Invader game. So inside the game, I have a player class, a few invaders list. I have a super UFO list. I have inside the player, I have a list of bullet that were controlled by the player. I have the caves that comes inside the game. I also have alien bullets that shoot randomly towards the player. So that's basically the main UML. I'm using inherence and polymorphism. So the super UFO and 3 different invaders are a child class of invader, a child class of invader class, and a few concepts I was using in this game include inheritance and polymorphism, abstract class and interface, and also add and remove elements and check collisions. So if a player hit a normal invader, it will have 100 plus score. If the player hits a super UFO, it will have 1,000 plus in the score. If the player accidentally used the bullet to hit the cave, it will have minus 500 in the score. And if the alien bullet shoot the player, the lives will become -1. And if the lives become 0, the game will stop. If the invaders come to the caves, it will stop the game as well. So and some of my code here include the game that I have the draw and handle input and update and a few other functions. I have a cave block class, I have a bullet class, I have an invader class that has a few child class. I have a player class, a super UFO that is the child class of invader, and also I have an alien bullet as well. So that's my game.